Welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. On this tutorial, I will show you how I changed my old slippers to a better one. Okay, what I will do is this: to cut the rope of my slippers. Cut this. Cut this. Then I will pull this one out. This one. I also pull this one. I also pull this one. I will start with one leg. So bring out your leather. This is soft leather. You can bring out your leather. Place the sole, the slipper sole on the leather and trace it out this way. So this is what I have. Now I will apply my gum here. I'll apply my gum here. Apply my gum also on this place. But before I do that, I will use my sandpaper and brush this place out like this. Then I'll do the same thing here. I'll apply my gum here. So after doing this, I will allow it to dry. Then as it is drying, I will start with this, the slipper sole. So I'll finish applying the gum on the sole. I will have to dry also. As you can see, the gum is dry, so we will now place it this way. We place the slipper sole like this on the leather. So this is what I have. Then I will use my hammer and hit it. So the next thing I will do is to use my scissors and trim the excess off. So look at what we have. For the top of our sandal, look at what I will use. I'm using Mako and the soft leather. So I will roughen here. I will use my sandpaper on this surface and this surface also. Then place it this way, and trace with this. So I will sandpaper this surface because I want to apply gum on it. And this is okay. Then here, the same thing. That's enough. So I will apply my gum on this surface this way. So this is it for this. I will also apply on this my marker. So this is what I have. I will allow both of them to dry. So I'll place this like this. So this is what I have. Then I'll put this like this and trace it out this way. After tracing it, I'll use my scissors to cut it out, just the way I am doing. So this is what I have. So this is what I have. Now this will form the top of my slippers this way. So we're going to place this where it is supposed to be. So this is what I have there. First of all, place this one with my glue. And I'll place this place also. So I'll apply my gum here also. Apply here also. So this is what we'll have. I will now trim off here. I'll trim off here. So look at what we have. The next thing I will do is to sew it like this. I'll sew like this, like this, like this, like this. So I'll start to sew by giving a mark here. So after sewing it, I will use my sandpaper, roughen this place and also here. Then apply my gum here and here, allow it to dry. Then gum this here. Okay. So after allowing it to dry, we'll have to place it this way. Place it like this. Then we'll trim it out. So this is what we have. This is the finished work. So this is our sandal made from a pass.